stuff.
Hello. There's Nancy.
You deleted that part, right?
Maybe. Okay, let's get these little ones can go outside.
Yeah.
Thanks.
This is wonky.
What's wonky?
It's like going like.
Maybe a piece of wood is a bit. Oh no, this is, we could use maybe
It
this for
needs to be more
something.
this way.
Huh?
It needs to be more this way.
No, it doesn't. This is where the stove will be. Right, so now the important bit.
One thing, how will he get that to curve? How will he get the wood like to curve like that?
Well, I hope with just putting them like that, they'll create.
I don't think that'll work.
At least he doesn't think it will work. Okay, well, we'll make it work. We will make it work. Alright, those little pieces please. And these things.
How about these big ones?
The big ones, put them aside because I need to put them in some places back into their little tiny little holes. So that's why I need your help. If you can get. Yeah, blue should be good.
Where do I put these?
Huh?
Have you got a brush?
I'm
Why
doing-
are Mum's shears in here?
You what?
Mum's shears.
They're not mine, they're mine.
They were Mum's.
Oh, I'll pick the break. The old one.
I don't know where the brush is.
Branches and stuff.
I don't
Doesn't
know
matter,
where-
it's just a little bit.
Well, we should get a brush.
Huh?
You should get a brush. But I don't know where it is and you can see it. You know.
This one next to the house.
It's good, isn't it?
Huh?
And I can't shut the gate.
Yeah.
What?
Let's just do it right now.
What?
Just do it right now.
No, I'm going to get it.
You better to get it.
That's going to be garden.
Okay.
I can't do this anymore.
Oh no. That's
I'm dead.
you dead already.
Again.
Again.
Yeah, not a lie.
Okay, well this next one. Are you gonna be doing showing off
No.
on live telly?
No.
That's my goal, Netflix. Where are the bigger bits of Tyvek?
Ah.
Okay. Alright. Oh, good. Okay, I'll see.
Done.
Now is a question for you. Where are we? Good. Listen, we got two types of insulation. Well, it's a sheep wool. Thickness. 3-inch or 4-inch.
What?
Okay. Which thickness should we use in the floor and which should we use there? Where do you think more?
Wait, well, how many inches? What inches have
3
we got?
inches or 4 inches? So 75 mil.
4 on the floor, 3 on the wall.
Why?
Because the wall, it looks like it'll have thinner. Like it's thinner.
Oh, you're right. The wall is thinner. Yeah, it's thinner. Correct. That's should be a bit wider, but.
Or on the wall, because it'll make it warmer. I don't know. Do what you want.
Think about heat. What's happening to the heat?
Coming out from the floor.
Coming out. When you have something heating, where is the heat going? Hot air raises, goes down. Yeah. So if you
In
have
the
more
wall
insulation
for
over
the
there,
wall.
then it's warmer. It's losing. It says mostly you're losing the most heat at the top. So you're gonna put more insulation, thicker insulation at the top, and not thick in the bottom. Even though there's more room in the floor because there's 4 inches in the floor.
Huh? I'm confused.
Yeah, you'll be alright. Right. So use sheep shearers. Or not. Right, so use this stuff again. Whoa. It'd be nice when we have the floor. Might even have the floor tomorrow evening. Maybe. Okay. Not yet.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think it's enough in those 2 rolls to cover all floor? Do you think?
Yeah.
Alright, let's hope so. Right, hold on.
Oh, it's 2. I thought this was only 1 roll.
Right, you need measuring tape probably.
Oh, fine.
There's one in my
Why?
belt. Okay, yeah.
Where's your belt?
But look how. Alright, see? This is, if you measure that, that looks like 50 mil, not 75. But it will actually expand to 75. Do you want to measure the spaces? How long they need to be? Like this one. Measure that. And tell me.
What?
Yeah, that little space. I've got it. Go on then.
4 foot.
4 foot, exactly. How many centimeters are on a centimeter?
120.
2. 120, 122. How many?
123.
23. Okay, come on, let's measure that.
Close for.
Measure here.
Wait, you moved there now.
That's alright.
Wait, I'm not
That's fine.
exactly
It'll
sure.
be fine if it's 123. It's no problem.
Yeah, 123.
Okay, you pass me that. You go and go. Keep going. You tell me when. There?
There.
Okay. Go. Put that in there. I need to put little pieces more. Okay. Good. The next one. You can move that whole row.
Won't they be like nearly the same? It's
Yeah, they don't have to measure. They're all the same. So let's do 123. They'll be
Wait.
exactly the same.
yeah.
Okay. Nice stuff.
There.
Okay. Right, these ones, you don't have to measure them, just roll them
Yeah.
out.
That's what I was going to do.
Or actually, to make it even better, oh no, we can go this way, that's the good fit. Is that it? Very good. It's a cool job, isn't it?
No, it isn't.
No, why not?
I don't like. Well, it's not my sort.
Yeah, but you're not doing it every day. You can see actually where the sheep will get used, apart from
Yeah,
Mama's
this isn't-
rocks.
This isn't our sheep wall, though.
No, it's not. But you can make it an hour sheep wall if you wanted to.
No.
Oh, let's do it like that. Look.
I think we're only going to use about one roll,
Well, maybe, or maybe
to
not.
cover the whole floor. But if we put more on each one,
We'll see. We might probably do more. Right, these ones actually need.
oh,
Yeah, what's that?
it fits if you turn it around.
Yeah, I know. It just needs.
Like,
Hold on. Okay, we can put that over. Let's do it like that. Yep.
yep, that's what I was saying.
Okay. We need to put loads of those little ones in this bit. That's where you
Okay,
Yeah,
just
no.
put another one on top.
maybe, but
That's way too big.
maybe. Let's put it in. Okay, good. That's where the stove is going to be.
Here.
Right, now loads of little ones.
How about these?
Maybe I will do them with the big ones because they will go with. They need to have more because they will have the.
And the ones on the other side.
Yeah. Alright, this one can go there. Get loads of strips and let's start filling those gaps.
I've got hair. Look. Wait.
Just chuck it. No. Great.
No,
Hey,
you've
so
got.
now I've got wool in my hair. Get it off.
No, now you've got hair.
Didn't ask you to do that.
Yeah.
It's warmer here already, don't you think?
No. I felt the same. Cold and wet.
Cold and wet. Great British summer. Can I open another roll?
What?
Another roll, please.
Where's Elsie?
Oh, who's there? Who's there?
What?
Who's there?
Oh,
Hello?
well, Elsie, I thought one of the ducks were there, but they are like there.
Yeah.
Because I heard this giant quack and it was like really like loud and it didn't sound that right, but just there.
Giant quack.
Yeah, it sounds like they're fine, but they didn't go like quack so loud, like something.
Probably working.
Just who's putting the floor with me in?
Well, could I join the video?
Yes, we need to say hello.
Where's that camera?
Yeah. Come in, come in.
Oh, there.
Oh, there. Yes. I say hello.
He's got dirty wellies on.
No dirty words
And he's
allowed.
And he's got no socks on. He has splinters in his feet.
So I can walk on the. Oh, see here. There's some little gaps here.
Inside.
Yeah.
Well, it's comfy.
Yeah, it's comfy. Of course it's comfy.
She can't put her feet on.
Really? I can't if I want to.
Sound nice.
See.
Oh. You haven't got any socks then?
Yeah.
So I've got shoes on.
Can we put that in there? I'll see. No.
Can't Ollie, he's got smaller things than me.
Look. That's the shippo insulation for the floor. Oh no, this side. That's 100% helicopter. Have a look on
It's really loud.
that. Who can see it first? It's coming this way.
What?
It's coming this way. Can you see it?
No. Come out here.
It's nothing on the flight radar.
Come here.
I'm coming. Let's take the camera. First, you've got this one pretty much done, just that corner. Let's have a look. What's the noise? Ah! No, it's going the other way.
Where's your phone? Can I see?
There's nothing on the phone.
I think maybe there's a rescue
Oh,
helicopter.
you would be on it. There's nothing.
I'm like looking around.
There's nothing on flight radar. Just from planes. Oh well.